We begin with the smallest pizza and measure its diameter. But first we need to create a table. What we do is we create 3 column heads, one for the diameter, one for the circumference, and one for the ratio r, which we're going to find later. For this first smallest pizza, the diameter comes out as 5 inches. What we can then do is take a piece of string to measure the distance around the outside of the pizza. Measuring the string on a ruler gives us that the circumference of the small pizza comes out to be 15.7 inches. We then swap out the small pizza for the medium-sized pizza and once again measure its diameter. For this pizza, the diameter is 10 inches long. We can once again use a piece of string to work out the distance around the edge of the pizza, which we call the circumference. And for the medium pizza, this comes out to be 31.42 inches. Now measuring the largest pizza, we can once again take this distance across from one side to the other, also known as the diameter, and this comes out to be 12 inches. And repeating our next step again to find the area around the outside, the circumference, for this largest pizza. We end up finding the circumference is 37.68. Now we can find out our ratio r by dividing the circumference by the diameter. So for the first one it's 15.7 divided by 5, for the second it's 31.42 divided by 10, and for the last one it's 37.68 divided by 12. And what you'll notice is that when we calculate these, they all come out to be the same ratio to 2 decimal places. This number 3.14 is what we denote pi. Pi has this symbol, and as I said, it is equal to 3.14 to 2 decimal places. We can now find something very interesting. We take the sum from n is equal to 1 up to infinity of 1 divided by n squared. What this means is you take 1 over 1 squared, which is equal to 1 divided by 1, add 1 over 2 squared, which is equal to 1 divided by 4, add 1 over 3 squared, which is equal to 1 divided by n, and continue this on towards infinity. This actually is equal to pi squared over 6. What we can now do is use this amazing ratio called pi with some incredible maths. We're going to apply this to find the circumference of the Earth. We begin by denoting that the diameter of the Earth is equal to 12,700 kilometers, and what we can now do is use our ratio pi in order to find the circumference. What you do is you take the diameter, so 12,700, and you times it by pi. We worked out earlier that pi is equal to 3.14 to 2 decimal places. When you do this calculation, you find out that the circumference of the Earth is equal to 40,000 kilometers around the equator.